So PetSafe went ahead and sent me this self-cleaning litter box. So I just want to do a quick unboxing and go ahead and test this out. So here's everything it comes with. And starting on the right side, we're going to have the litter tray with Tiger on it, the litter tray lid, the waste trap cover, the power adapter, the instructions, the crystal litter, the privacy cover, and the litter box frame. So I found the location for the litter box right over here, and it's also going to have these tabs in here just to slide the wire through, and now it's going to be neatly organized. And the minute I turned it on, this is what goes ahead and happens. 0, the blue light is on, and this portion just kind of retracted backwards. And now the waste trap cover can be installed right over here. So before pouring the crystal litter in here, we can go ahead and put this section right on top, and then evenly distribute the litter over here. Now this type of litter is going to be real different than what I'm used to. It's going to be crystal litter, as you see, so it's going to be really thick chunks as opposed to kind of grains. And now the difference between this one is the fact that it is going to go ahead and absorb odors a lot better. And also, I mean, it looks pretty cool too. Look, even my cat Tiger's curious. And so before him using this, I just want to go ahead and set it up and put it underneath the box itself. So to do that, this just has to be oriented correctly, and then the box can be lifted up. I could slide this underneath and then let it go. And now the last step is going to be the privacy cover. So this can be placed right on top, and there, it's ready for use. All right, so now that Tiger finished using it, now we can check on the back side, and a light should be blinking, which it is. So that means a timer is currently started for 20 minutes. And when 20 minutes is up, any solid material is going to go ahead and be put up inside over here. And of course, all the liquid material is just going to be absorbed by the crystals. Now, if my cat goes ahead and goes inside again, comes out, the timer is going to be reset for another 20 minutes. And over here, the health counter is going to go ahead and increase as well too. Now, if I want to go ahead and manually just move the rake myself, I can press this button. And here we could see that the lid was opening up, and afterwards it'll go ahead and return, and then this will close as well too. There you can see it's returning. And now we can see that the counter is set to 1. And of course this increases every time it's raked. And when you want to go ahead and reset it, you can just go ahead and hold this button, and it resets back to 0, which of course will be recommended once the litter box is replaced. Now taking a look at the inside, if you see on the right side, there's going to be a little black circle. Same thing on the left over here. Now those are going to be the sensors that, you know, whenever my cat leaves their peripherals, that's when the 20-minute timer is set, and then it'll go ahead and rake, you know, as I mentioned before. But yeah, overall, this thing is really cool. I did enjoy going ahead and watching it just go back and forth, and setting it up was really easy as well too. But yeah, if you're looking for a self-cleaning litter box, if you're looking for something simple for your cat or cats, definitely check this one out by PetSafe.